Hi everyone! Today we're reviewing a compact electric bike, specifically the EL20 3.0 Pro model from ENGWE. ENGWE has become one of the most recognizable e-bike brands in recent years, especially in Europe. In the spring of 2025, the company is launching a unique model, the ENGWE L20 3.0 Pro. This folding e-bike features full suspension, wide 20 by 3.0-inch tires, a mid-drive motor, GPS tracking, and a large battery capable of fast charging. On paper, it promises an impressive range, strong performance, and a comfortable ride for both city streets and light off-road use. The bike arrives in a large but still reasonably manageable box. Well, let's open it up. The bike itself is protected for transport absolutely superbly. Dense foam blocks, soft foam padding, and additional shock-absorbing elements are strategically placed throughout the box to ensure the cargo remains completely safe and sound during transit. A large number of plastic zip ties were used to secure the bike, along with, as you can clearly see, a very generous amount of rigid foam packaging. So overall, I rate the packaging very highly. That said, no matter how good the packaging looks, it is always wise to carefully inspect both the box and the bike itself for any potential shipping damage before you begin assembly. As for the included accessories, inside the box you will find a user manual containing assembly instructions and operating tips, open-end wrenches, a set of hex keys, a reversible screwdriver, a tire pump, a spare set of brake pads for each wheel, extra bolts, nuts, and washers, 2 keys for the battery lock, and an 8-amp battery charger with an LED charging status indicator. I also ordered a few additional accessories, a 5.9-foot security cable, as well as a waterproof protective cover for the bike, since I plan to store it outdoors. If you have ever assembled a bicycle before, you will find this process extremely simple. You simply attach the handlebars, align the front wheel and brakes, screw on the pedals, and essentially, that's it. Everything you need for daily commuting is already included in the kit, including a rear rack and fenders. The manual describes each assembly step in detail and with clarity, and is supplemented by clear diagrams, so even inexperienced users should be able to assemble the bike without any issues. And here is how the L20 3.0 Pro model looks immediately after assembly. At first glance, what really stands out is just how sleek and harmonious its design appears. The battery is concealed within the frame's down tube, the cabling is neatly routed, and the step-through frame design makes mounting the bike truly effortless, even if you are carrying a backpack or bags of groceries. The aluminum frame feels solid, and the overall build inspires confidence. The bike looks elegant in black, although a beige version called Champagne is also available. The bike weighs 32.8 kilograms, which is substantial, but for an electric fat bike that is fairly normal. In return, it can carry a maximum payload of up to 150 kilograms. To handle that weight safely, ENGWE has equipped it with 180mm hydraulic dual-piston disc brakes on both the front and rear wheels, supported by motor cutoff sensors. One of the most notable features of this bike is its folding mechanism. It can be folded in just a few quick steps. The hinges and latches feel sturdy, although their tightness should be checked regularly. When folded, this compact e-bike fits into many car trunks and can be easily stowed in tight living spaces. Another key feature is the integrated removable battery pack in the down tube. The bike uses a battery with Samsung cells and a dedicated battery management system. The two 1700 cells provide a total capacity of 720 watt-hours, or 48 volts and 15 amp-hours. According to ENGWE, this gives the bike a maximum range of 160 kilometers under laboratory conditions, using pedal assist level 1. In real-world riding, the range will be lower, but 100 kilometers per charge is still a reasonable expectation if you ride efficiently and shift gears appropriately. The battery itself weighs approximately 3.5 kilograms. The frame-mounted battery also has an on and off switch that is only accessible when the battery is removed, which provides an extra layer of protection against power leakage and theft. The battery can be charged either directly on the bicycle or separately by removing it and bringing it indoors. What is truly impressive about the ENGWE L20 3.0 Pro battery is the charging time. Thanks to the fast charger, it can reach a full charge in just 2 hours. The charger delivers 54.6 volts at 8 amps, or roughly 440 watts. That makes it very convenient for long rides and for topping up the battery during longer breaks, as long as you have access to a power outlet and do not mind carrying a charger that weighs around 2 kilograms. The ENGWE L20 3.0 Pro also features full suspension, with a shock-absorbing front fork and a rear shock absorber. This setup does an excellent job of smoothing out bumps and noticeably improves comfort over cobblestones, gravel, forest paths, and park trails. The front suspension is equipped with both a lockout mechanism and damping adjustment, allowing riders to fine-tune its performance based on the terrain type and their personal preferences. The rear suspension offers approximately 3 centimeters of travel. However, even this is sufficient to noticeably improve ride smoothness. When combined with the wide, soft, and comfortable spring-loaded saddle, it ensures a high level of comfort on surfaces ranging from smooth asphalt to rugged forest trails. The bicycle is also equipped with a 30-lux Deal LED headlight powered directly by the main battery. The headlight features a built-in white reflector and provides excellent illumination of the road ahead. Since this headlight is mounted on the fork, it can be adjusted vertically, unlike on other models where the light is integrated into the frame or riser handlebars. Let's move on to the controls. The bicycle is equipped with a 68 centimeter wide handlebar featuring a slight ergonomic sweep. Combined with comfortable, flat rubberized grips, this ensures a secure hold and comfort, even during long rides. The swept-back shape of the handlebar promotes a more upright riding position, thereby reducing strain on the back. An additional advantage is the adjustable stem, which allows for precise fine-tuning of the riding position to suit the specific cyclist's height and preferences. Located on the right side of the handlebar is the shifter for the 7-speed Shimano tourney, flanked by the levers for the hydraulic disc brakes. The Shimano components operate with crisp precision and predictability, ensuring confident gear shifting across a variety of riding conditions. Centered on the handlebar is a modern, full-color display measuring approximately 10.5 centimeters diagonally. The screen features large fonts, intuitive icons, and high contrast, making the information easily legible even in bright sunlight. When the headlight is switched on, the display brightness automatically dims to avoid distracting the rider during nighttime operation. The onboard computer displays all essential information: current speed, pedal assist level, trip data, battery charge status, GPS connection status, and lighting status. Within the settings menu, users can select measurement units, kilometers or miles, adjust screen brightness, and enable password protection for access control. On the left side sits a control unit featuring 5 buttons, some of which perform dual functions. The plus and minus buttons are used to select one of the 5 available motor assist levels. Pressing and holding the plus button switches on the lighting, while the minus button activates the walk assist mode. The I button allows you to toggle through various onboard computer readouts, while holding it down opens the settings menu. The audible signal deserves special mention. More detailed information and settings are available in the accompanying app for Android and iOS. This app is also required for the full configuration of the ENGWE L20 3.0 Pro, as the bike is equipped with an IoT module supporting Bluetooth, 4G, and GPS. Once paired with a smartphone, anti-theft features and the ability to locate the bike on a map become available. The bike offers several useful smart features. Specifically, a built-in motion sensor emits an audible alarm if the e-bike is moved while in a locked state. If necessary, this can be bypassed by enabling inductive unlocking in the settings. However, it is important to understand that this does not constitute a full-fledged immobilizer. For genuine theft protection and subsequent GPS tracking, you should still use a standard bicycle lock. All these smart services, GPS tracking, the digital lock, and the alarm system, are not free. However, ENGWE provides them free of charge for 1 year with the purchase of the bike. After this initial period, the subscription is currently expected to cost €39.99 per year, though discounts may be available. In my opinion, this is a quite reasonable price. Additionally, the app allows you to adjust the charging current to 8, 6, 4, or 2 amperes. While this slightly increases charging time, it helps reduce heat generation, and thereby extends the battery's lifespan. It would be a useful addition if one could limit not only the charging current, but also the maximum battery charge level, as lithium-ion batteries perform best when kept within a charge range of approximately 20% to 80%. Given that I don't ride more than 80 kilometers a week anyway, I would gladly sacrifice a portion of the range in exchange for a longer battery lifespan. Furthermore, the app allows you to record your rides and share them with the ENGWE community. OpenStreetMap-based navigation is also built into the app, though it can only be viewed on your smartphone. Unfortunately, it is not possible to display the map on the onboard computer. Since this is a cruiser bike designed for comfort and vibration dampening, even the saddle features suspension. It is exceptionally soft and wide, ensuring comfort for a very broad range of riders. The upholstery material is pleasant to the touch, and the additional cushioning located beneath the saddle helps absorb vibrations and smooth out minor bumps. The saddle height is adjustable via a quick-release clamp, and the frame geometry as a whole is well suited for cyclists of widely varying heights. Personally, standing about 185 centimeters tall, I had more than enough room and was able to comfortably extend my legs while pedaling. Another feature I really appreciated is the rear rack. It is sturdy enough to carry bags, baskets, or extra cargo. The rear rack is removable, but keep in mind that the integrated rear brake light is hardwired to it, so its functionality will be limited if you take the rack off. The light is also wired to the brake levers, so whenever you're riding and engage either lever, the brake light illuminates. Therefore, it's best to just leave the rack installed. Overall, the lighting system here is quite decent. Even if you unexpectedly find yourself on a dark forest trail, visibility remains good enough to keep riding with confidence. The bike is also equipped with large plastic fenders. Despite being made of plastic, they are long and wide enough to provide truly effective protection against water and mud. I previously mentioned the wheel size, 26 by 3.0 inches. Combined with the bike's full suspension, they do an excellent job of smoothing out bumps on the road and handling rough terrain. The standout feature of the ENGWE L20 3.0 Pro is its Mivis X 700 mid-drive motor, delivering 250 watts of power and 100 Newton meters of torque, paired with a torque sensor. Unlike hub motors, which typically rely on pedal cadence, this system responds to the actual force applied to the pedals. This results in more natural, smooth acceleration and significantly more predictable handling on inclines. Thanks to the mid-drive motor configuration and the use of the bike's drivetrain, the L20 3.0 Pro performs exceptionally well on hills. This makes it an excellent choice for hilly cities and for riders requiring robust assistance at lower speeds. The motor operates quietly and provides strong pulling power right from a standstill. The 100 Newton meters of torque is particularly helpful when starting at intersections, tackling slight inclines, or riding with a load. Power delivery is gradual rather than abrupt. The system engages smoothly after the rider applies a bit of pedal pressure, making the ride more comfortable. The bike offers 5 levels of pedal assistance. In practice, the 3rd level is used most frequently, while the 4th and 5th levels are reserved for specific situations, as the bike quickly hits its 25 km/h speed limit, even in the higher modes. In this regard, the L20 3.0 Pro is designed more for relaxed, steady rides than for high-speed travel. The speed limit is determined not only by the electronics, but also by the drivetrain itself. The bike is equipped with a 7-speed Shimano Tourney drivetrain. Despite its relatively heavy weight, around 33 kilograms, the bike accelerates confidently and remains easy to handle. The mid-drive motor also benefits balance. Weight is distributed more evenly, which is particularly noticeable when cornering or pedaling hard. The pedals deserve special mention. ENGWE has equipped the L20 3.0 Pro with wide metal platform pedals, featuring anti-slip studs. They ensure a secure grip on your footwear and keep your feet firmly planted, even on uneven roads or in wet weather, thereby enhancing both comfort and safety while riding. The front chainring features a guard to prevent trouser legs from getting caught in it. There is also a guard on the other side that keeps the chain securely on the ring. A nice touch. And most importantly, how does it actually ride? The ENGWE L20 3.0 Pro makes a very solid impression on the road. At lower assist levels, it handles city traffic well, while the maximum mode is particularly useful for quick acceleration. The 250-watt motor, delivering 100 Newton meters of torque, feels genuinely punchy, helping you pick up speed easily and move forward with confidence. The suspension system also contributes significantly to rider comfort. Full suspension, combined with chunky 20-inch tires, 7.5 centimeters wide, smooths out bumps effectively. You really only feel the most severe potholes. This ensures the ride remains plush and comfortable, even on uneven surfaces. The 180mm hydraulic disc brakes bring the bike to a quick, reliable stop. They might feel a bit abrupt at first, but after a brief break-in period, they operate confidently and without any unpleasant squealing. On smooth asphalt, the wide tires provide excellent grip, making the ride feel stable and controlled. The gear shifter is conveniently placed under your right hand and operates quickly and smoothly, even when shifting through multiple gears at once. The bike is covered by a 1-year warranty for most parts you'd expect, although the headlights and taillights, and some other basic parts, are only covered for 6 months or less, so check the paperwork. You can add a year to the warranty at the point of sale for around €159, which is probably worth doing if you can afford it. 159, which is probably worth doing if you're going to be using it regularly. Make sure you get it serviced at a properly badged service center to preserve the warranty. The L20 3.0 Pro is well equipped for the price, with a well-built folding frame that compromises only in the places you'd expect a folding bike to have to compromise. You can also purchase accessories from ENGWE's online shop, including a bike lock, pump, phone mount, and a bespoke rack bag. To sum it up, the ENGWE L20 3.0 Pro is a truly powerful and well-designed e-bike. that offers an excellent balance of comfort, range, and reliability. It is ideal for riders seeking freedom of movement without major compromises. Full suspension, a sturdy step-through frame, large tires, multiple power modes, and a powerful mid-drive motor make this model particularly attractive for daily commuting. From a technical standpoint, the L20 3.0 Pro is genuinely impressive. It features a mid-drive 250-watt motor delivering 100 Newton-meters of torque, with a torque sensor ensuring natural and smooth power delivery. The full suspension handles minor bumps well, and the drivetrain shifts crisply and reliably, though on flat terrain, one might wish for a higher gear. Riders ranging from approximately 155 to 185 centimeters in height can find a comfortable, ergonomic riding position. Additionally, fast charging capabilities allow the battery to be fully replenished in just 2 hours. Built-in GPS and a movement alert system further enhance convenience and security for everyday use. Overall, this is a very strong offering for the price. The 720 watt-hour battery, 100 Newton-meters mid-drive motor, and full suspension make the ENGWE L20 3.0 Pro a serious vehicle for daily commuting, capable of confidently handling both city streets and rougher terrain. And that's all from me. You can buy it using the link in the description. Thank you all for watching. Good luck to everyone. Bye everyone. Ciao.